Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for May 5th, 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks and news, as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. We begin by first taking a look at Nifty. The NSE index opened lower today before breaching the first support and then witnessing a recovery in the latter half of the trading session. The index closed lower by 86.50 points or 0.36% from yesterday's close to end at 24,032.80. Losses were recouped in the second half, mostly due to failure to breach support and strong earnings, as well as deal momentum from some companies. The sectoral indices traded mixed with losses being led by realty and consumer durables, while capital markets and defense stocks saw some gains. The defense sector saw gains mostly due to positive quarterly updates. Volatility saw a dip as well. With Nifty closing just above the support stated today morning, no changes will be required to the levels, with supports being at 24,030, followed by 23,820, while resistances will be at 24,185, followed by 24,360. For tomorrow, range-bound trading can be expected to continue with a slight positive bias, with further gains possible if crude oil prices correct. Strong quarterly numbers from most major sectors will act as a support, while a weak rupee combined with continued FII exit will further pressure the index. Nifty can be expected to see renewed bullish momentum above 24,660, while bears can be seen taking over below 23,555, a range that has not been broken for quite some time. Let us now move on to our view on how Sensex behaved today. Sensex 2 ended the day with marginal losses, with the index ending lower by 252 points or 0.33% from yesterday's close to end at 77,018. Due to the muted close, levels can be kept the same, with supports being at 76,920, followed by 76,365, while resistances will be at 77,405, followed by 78,020. Bullish momentum for the index will intensify above 79,360, while a breach of 75,870 on the downside could lead to lower levels. Next, we will take a look at the levels for crude oil. Fresh escalations between the US and Iran, with the latter bombing ports in UAE, while the former retaliated with attacks on Iran's fast boats, has kept the energy counter at elevated levels. Though the price swings have moderated, volatility still remains at higher levels, as no respite seems to be in sight for now. Supports for now can be placed at 9,840, followed by 9,515, while resistances will be at 10,000. 125 followed by 10,420. The bullishness can be expected to continue for crude oil prices as the conflict in the Middle East seems to have no end in sight. The prices seem to be stabilizing, but fresh escalations may send the commodity rocketing, while any progress in talks will cause a substantial correction. Crude oil prices can be expected to remain bullish above 8,880, while a break below 8,440 may cause the bears to tighten their grip. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Mahindra & Mahindra shares gained over 3% after reporting a strong Q4 performance, with profit jumping around 42% year-on-year to 4,667 crore rupees. The company also announced a final dividend of 33 rupees per share, boosting investor sentiment. Dynacons Systems shares surged nearly 18% after the company secured a 750.82 crore rupees order from the RBI. The 5-year contract involves building and managing private cloud infrastructure and a data center, strengthening its growth outlook. Marico reported a healthy Q4 performance, with net profit rising around 14% year-on-year to over 390 crore rupees. Revenue also saw strong growth, and the company announced a dividend of 4 rupees per share. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.